JPMorgan Chase launches a money market fund on Ethereum, and Strategy buys another $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. JPMorgan Chase is deepening its push into blockchain-based finance, rolling out its first tokenized money market fund directly on Ethereum. Dubbed My On-Chain Net Yield Fund, the vehicle is seeded with $100 million and marks the first time a bank of this size has launched such a product on a public blockchain. The fund allows qualified investors to park idle cash and earn yield with faster settlement times, offering redemptions in either cash or Circle's USDC stablecoin. While traditional competitors like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton have already entered the space, JPMorgan's move signals a major validation of public blockchains for institutional capital. Utility or privacy? The transparency of traditional blockchains forces a difficult choice. Break free from this limitation with Midnight. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Take out a crypto-backed loan with Figure today. Strategy continues its Bitcoin accumulation, adding another 10,645 coins to its bag last week for nearly $980 million. This marks the second consecutive week the firm has deployed roughly $1 billion into the asset, funding the spree by aggressively selling its own stock. The purchase lifts the company's total treasury to over 671,000 Bitcoin, valued at roughly $50 billion. Despite the heavy dilution required to fund these buys, the company shows no signs of slowing down. Strategy also confirmed it will remain in the NASDAQ 100 index and is actively pushing back against proposals to exclude crypto-heavy balance sheets from global indices. And while crypto users wait for the market structure bill to progress in America, the UK government announced its plans to fully bring crypto companies under existing financial regulations by 2027. Chancellor Rachel Reeves stated the move aims to establish clear rules of the road and lock dodgy actors out of the market. By extending current financial laws to crypto, the UK is opting for a model similar to the United States, rather than creating a bespoke framework like the European Union's MiCA laws. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time. Break the cycle of exploitation, break down the barriers to truth, break into the next generation of privacy, break free. Free to scroll without being monetized, free from censorship, freedom without fear. We deserve more when it comes to privacy. Experience the next generation of blockchain that is private and inclusive by design. Break free with Midnight. Visit midnight.network/break-free. Looking for the best way to unlock your crypto's liquidity? Whether you're funding a major purchase like a down payment on a home, investing in new opportunities, or even buying more Bitcoin, Figure makes it straightforward and transparent. Take out a crypto-backed loan in the Figure app today.